Saying either of these are the best gaming headset is kind of a subjective statement, because while others might want some comfort and longevity, others might want better sound quality and mic quality, while others are just looking for the most affordable. While I obviously haven't tried every single gaming headset known to man, I did try 7 different brands of gaming headsets around the similar price range and compare them side by side, and I'll let you know which one of these is the most comfortable, which has the best sound quality, which has the best mic quality, the best build quality, the best noise isolation, and even the most noise bleed, which are all features that you might want from your gaming headsets. So, let's talk tech. I'm Agent Ardently Tech, and full disclaimer, I did buy most of these headphones during Black Friday sales, and some of those sales were bigger than other headphones. So that said, while the MSRP on some of these headphones might not be under $50 right now, even if it's not a major holiday sale, you can still find these under $50 pretty often. So if any of these headsets interest you, make sure to check our affiliate links with the most up-to-date prices listed down below in the description. And for reference, here's the list of all the gaming headsets that I tried for this video. Starting with the Nubwo G06 dual wireless gaming headset. It's a Bluetooth gaming headset with a flip-up mic and 100 hours of battery life. Then we have the Razer Black Shark V2X gaming headset with 7.1 surround sound and 3.5mm connection. And then we have another Bluetooth gaming headset with a Logitech G435 Lightspeed wireless Bluetooth gaming headset. It doesn't have a traditional gaming headset mic, it's built into the cups, but it also has compatibility with Dolby Atmos. And then we have the Corsair's HS65 surround gaming headset with 7.1 surround sound, as the name suggests, with Dolby Atmos compatibility as well. It has a customizable sound with the Sound ID through SonarWorks, which is really cool. At the time of this recording, this is the only gaming headset in this list that is over the price range of $50, so keep your eye out to see if it goes on sale between now and when you watch this. Then we have the JBL Quantum 400 with surround sound, connects with 3.5 and USB. And we have the Turtle Beach Recon Spark with 40mm drivers, a flip-up mic, and connects with 3.5mm only. And when Fifine heard that we were doing this video, they sent us 2 of their gaming headsets to try out and include in this video, which one of them is the Fifine Ampligame H3 with RGB lights, with USB and 3.5mm connection and a detachable mic. And then we have the Fifine H9 gaming headset, which has 7.1 surround sound capabilities, detachable mic as well, and also 3.5 and USB connection. So those are the 8 gaming headsets that I tried through 7 different companies, all under $50. Now let's see how all these gaming headsets did under the 6 different features that you might want from your gaming headset. That's comfort, volume and sound quality, that's mic quality, build quality, noise isolation, and maybe even noise bleed. So how I'll do is I'll share the top 3 gaming headsets for each different feature or category. I'll also mention any good or bad notable standouts for each category as well. So I'm going to start from the least important feature to the most important feature according to my opinion, but that might not be yours. So if something's more important to you and you want to skip ahead to that, I'll have a list of all the different feature sections that you can skip ahead to right here. The feature I think is the least important, but some people might care about, is noise bleed. For me, it's not a big deal. I don't care if it bleeds a little bit. It just means it's loud. But the ones that minimize the amount of noise bleed possible through their headphones was the Logitech G435, the Nubwo G06, and the JBL Quantum 400. The Nubwo and the Logitech headphones were both Bluetooth, so their volume wasn't as loud as the ones that were plugged in directly to my PS5 controller. At least that's what it seemed like when I was doing my comparison volume-wise. Connected directly through the 3.5mm jack on my controller just got much louder than those Bluetooth ones that were connected through the PS5. From the 4th one, Corsair and below, everything kind of performed very similarly. How about noise isolation? How I did this test was I just had the headphones on with very minimal sounds playing and having my wife talk to me and see how loud she had to get to hear her. The top 3 were the Razer Black Shark V2X, the JBL Quantum 400, and the Fifine H9. This is another feature that I don't really care to have. If I need to hear somebody, it's important for me to hear. Great. None of these have active noise cancellation or noise cancellation at all. So they all perform very similarly because they're all over-ear headphones. None of them were in-ear, although the Turtle Beach ones were pretty small on my ears and I don't have particularly big ears. So if you have larger ears, the Turtle Beach might be uncomfortable for you. At least these Turtle Beaches would be. Now it gets to the point where I think it's more important, and that's build quality. The Corsair's HS65, the Razer Black Shark V2X, and the JBL Quantum 400. The Corsair just feels like very premium quality. It felt like a league of its own compared to all these other headphones, and that might be because it has a typically higher price tag, but then again, the JBL Quantum 400 is typically more expensive than the Corsair HS65s, but don't feel as great of quality as the Corsair does. The Razer Black Shark doesn't have a flip-up mic, which is the only downfall to this headset. The big shells do feel a bit cheap, but the cups are really nice. The cups are really comfortable and I could wear them for a very long time, and it's just like one of the better feels to the ear cups from all the headsets that I got to try. The JBLs also do have a flip-up mic, which is also really nice, but another way I would like to have a mic is one that's detachable, like the fifine H3 and the fifine H9. Having the detachable mic or flip-up mic, in my opinion, is really nice to have because when you're not playing a game that requires a mic, you can either just flip it away or take it off. With the Razer Black Shark V2X, it's just there and you always have to have it on, especially even if you're playing a single player RPG. So for me, that's the least attractive kind of microphone setup, but yeah, that's just my opinion. So for the mic quality section, I couldn't really figure out how to tell you guys without showing and demonstrating it. So I recorded some gameplay with using each of the microphones and playing different games. So here's a test of all the microphones from the best performance to the worst performance. This is a mic quality test on the fifine Amplifgame H3, and you can see me swing around across New York as we test the microphone. How's the microphone sound? This is probably one game you wouldn't use your microphone for, but you never know. As you can tell, I'm a PS5 gamer, but let me know what kind of gamer you are. Are you a Xbox, PC, or PS5 player? This is a mic quality test on the fifine H9. Not absolutely sure if it's also an Amplifgame series, but yeah, this is the H9. Let me know how the mic quality sounds. Looks like we got a crime. Man, traversal in Spider-Man 2 is probably the funnest way to traverse through any map single player I've ever played. This is a mic quality test of the Razer Black Shark V2X gaming headset. How does it sound? And watch me completely lose at this round of Fall Guys because it absolutely sucks. It's probably the worst course invented. It's hard when people start hoarding because you can't see yourself. Go, okay. So this is a mic quality test on the JBL Quantum 400, which is my normal gaming headphones that I use daily. Let me know how they sound. Let's go handle that.
You're in trouble. Better help. Stay calm, folks. I know what I'm doing.
Jeez. This is a mic quality test of the Corsair HS65 surround gaming headset, and let me know what it sounds like. And let's see if I can survive this game of rollout on Fall Guys. I'm notoriously bad at this. Let's go! This is a mic quality test of the Nubwo G06 dual wireless gaming headset. Let me know how it sounds. It is the biggest of the bunch, but does that mean it's better? I'm not sure.
Yeah, always a tough squad when I was playing, and it's looking like that again. You got a great mix of young players and veterans, and don't be surprised.
Alright, this is a mic quality test of the Logitech G435 Lightspeed Bluetooth wireless gaming headset. And as you can see, there's no drop-down microphone like there normally is on gaming headsets. The mics are built into the ear cup, so let's see how the mic quality sounds.
To G.
Oh yeah.
And it's
Get in your face. Get in your face.
I mean, gets the tough rebounds, scores.
This is a mic quality test on the Turtle Beach Recon Spark gaming headset. And yeah, let me know what the mic quality sounds like. And let me know if you're a PS5 owner and played Spider-Man 2, which Spider-Man do you like to play with, Miles or Peter? I think Peter has nostalgia to him, obviously, but Miles has like the cooler fighting capabilities. That's just my opinion. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if I got the right order for that mic quality setup in your opinion. Before we go on, if you enjoyed this video so far, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We have a ton of videos about gaming and just regular tech in general, and I'm sure you will enjoy and find something that you will want to watch or come back for. The second most important thing in my opinion is volume and sound quality, especially if you have surround sound. And the three that performed the best in my opinion was the Corsair HS65, the Razer Blackshark V2X, and the Logitech G435. The Corsair felt like it had the most full sound, the most balanced sound, maybe not the strongest bass, but in general just had the more all-around better sound compared to the rest of them. The Razer was very loud and it had really great bass. That must have to do with their 50mm drivers. And the Logitech G435s, while it was the only Bluetooth mentioned here, I was just surprised of how great the sound quality was through a Bluetooth connection. It wasn't as loud as the others, but it was a good volume overall. I don't love blasting my headphones to a high volume, so with the Logitech I was able to have the volume all the way up without it hurting my ears. Other notable ones were the fifine H3 and the H9. They both had really great bass and really great sound. Very great comparable bass to the Razer Blackshark V2. And the most important feature of all, in my opinion, is comfort. I want to be able to wear these for a long time without being fatigued in my ears. And the ones that made that happen was the Corsair HS65, the Logitech G435, and tied in third is the JBL Quantum 400 and the fifine H9. Starting with the fifine, it's something that's super lightweight. While it's not the prettiest looking one of all the bunch, it is really comfortable and I could wear it for a long time because of its lightweight and really comfortable cups. The JBLs, again, because of their overall build quality, it was just so hard to choose one or the other, so I had to put them as a tie. And though the Logitech G435 was smaller than the other headphones, it wasn't as small as the Turtle Beach headset, which were just a little too uncomfortable how small they were. These were like the perfect size. And with the headband being breathable and the cups of the ear cups being breathable, it just made wearing them really pleasant. It was very lightweight. Having a nice, small, compact, and lightweight headset goes a long way when you're trying to game for longer sessions. But again, the Corsair HS65 finds itself in the top of my rankings for this category as well. It has a perfect size and weight distribution, as I mentioned back in the build quality, and the cups are super comfy. It has a mix of leather and then like a breathable material in the inside of the cups that lean onto your ears and on your head. And overall, it just had the perfect size. It went around my ears, not on it. It wasn't over my ears by a long shot like some of the larger headphones like the Nubwos or the Razer Blacksharks. These Corsairs were just the perfect size for my head. So again, preference, again, it's gonna be a subjective thing. But in my use, these were the best fitting ones for me. While the Corsair HS65 was the one that did the best in my test, it doesn't mean it's gonna be the perfect one for you. It just really depends on what you need and what you want from your gaming headset for it to be the best gaming headset. So let me know which one that's going to be for you. And if you want to get any of the ones mentioned in today's video, again, help support our channel by using our affiliate links in the description below. And if you're still in the process of building your gaming setup, never fear, this is the next video you're going to want to watch. We'll see you there. Peace.